So now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on, and now we load the A4 size sheets. So that is actually at the rear side. So you will see this is the paper input tray, and there is a size adjuster here, so just adjust it on the one side. Install the A4 size sheets here. Open the paper output tray, which is at the front. Ink cartridge chamber door is just at the front, so we just have to open it. Now we have to install the setup ink cartridges. So install black on the black side. So push it inwards, hold the printer with the other hand, and it will lock itself. So if you just slide it in, push in, and it will lock. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and wait for the printer to print the printer alignment page. So printer has printed an alignment page here. We need to scan this page. So open the top scanner bed and place it facing downwards at the left hand side and click on the copy button. So wait for the printer to do the alignment. Once it is finished, now we will do the Wi-Fi direct setup, which is actually using the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system for the wireless printing and scanning. So Wi-Fi direct icon is the small icon which you can see next to the wireless icon, and if you don't see it, that means we have to activate it. So just press the wireless button once, switch off the blue light, and it will activate the Wi-Fi direct of the printer. Also we need to print a password so that we can connect it with our device. So click on the information button once and wait for the printer to print a page. So this is the printer information page, and if you see here, this is the Wi-Fi direct icon. Under that you see Wi-Fi direct name, direct to HP DeskJet 4100. Also the password is displayed here. Now take your iPhone or Android phone and also download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you do that, open the Wi-Fi setting. Here look for the HP DeskJet, that is direct to HP 4100. Click on that. Now enter the password as it was written on the page. Click on the connect button. You say it says connected, but there is no internet. Now go back and open the HP Smart app. We need to add the printer here. So there is a plus button on the top of the screen, so we just have to click on that, and it displays the name of the printer here. So that is HP DeskJet Plus 4100 series. Also the IP address for the direct connection. Now click on it. You will see it is added up here, and it shows the estimated level of ink. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning so that we can see if it's working. I'm going to use the top feeder tray, which we can use here. That is for the multiple pages to scan. So this way we have to insert the pages here. Go to your app and look for the printer scan option. On the top you will see right hand side setting. So click on the setting button and click on the source. Now we take the scanner glass and document feeder. So right now we are using document feeder. Click on that. So you can change the DPI as well, and then click on close button. Now click on scan again. So here we can see it has started to scan and it's transferring the scan here. So that's the easiest way we can use this printer using inbuilt Wi-Fi system, and you can also use it for the wireless printing. Here we can see all the 3 pages are scanned, and if you want you can click on the share button, or then you can send it via the email, or you can click on the save button and then you can save it. So overall I can say this is a very good printer for the wireless printing and scanning, and it's good for home or office use. Thanks for watching.